Hey guys, welcome back to Rides with Jake, and today I'll be showing you how to patch your inner tube to fix the flat tire on your bike. So what we're dealing with is a flat tire on my dirt jumper, and the easy way out is actually just replacing the dirt jumper. Just to make it easier, first step, flip your bike over. I'm actually just gonna use a tire lever, but you can actually just get away with your fingers. And get it out. There you go. This is a Presto valve, so you have to take this nut out. Step 3, get the tube out. You might be wondering why we're not taking the wheel off. Well, that's the trick. You don't have to. Now, just find the really punctured spot. Step is to pump it up. It's a slow puncture because it's not losing air that fast, which makes it hard to actually find it. I think I hear it somewhere here. It's not that obvious where it is, so we're gonna use some soapy water. It was so tiny that we couldn't use soapy water, and we decided to use a different method. Slowly, very slowly, submerge into water. Oh, there it is, the bubbles. You see that? Those are bubbles. Check where the puncture is, and then check all the inner tube just to see if there's more than one puncture. It's so small that I cannot visually see where the puncture is. Use this metal grinder sander thingy in the kit and rub the area of where the puncture is very gently so the glue sticks. Next step is to use some rubber cement and apply it to the area of the puncture. Now let's give it a bit of time to dry. Get the patch and stick it in there. So here it is. You take the little plastic off. Okay. Press it firmly. So actually, we didn't take the inner tube off the wheel, like we didn't fully take it off, and it actually saves us a couple of minutes. So if you think that's easier, give it a try. The next step, peel the plastic off. Oh, nice looking patch, right? So take the air out. Put it back on. So put that valve in, get it in. Make sure the tube isn't twisted. That's not a good thing. Oh, got it. I did it. That's pretty much it. You just have to pump it up. So that's it. That's basically a video of how to patch your inner tube to fix your flat tire. Whee! Until the next one, tread hard, ride safe. See ya!